Hi everybody, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be cooking another curry chicken recipe. Alongside with the curry chicken you can see the vegetable and the blends and spices that I had already added to it. This chicken has been seasoned for over 2 weeks. As you know, I always season my meats before. Now you can always check at the bottom of the description and you will see all that I had put into my seasoning. I hope you guys enjoy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to the pot and wait for it to get hot, where I'll add my chicken. Now often I would burn some of the curry in the oil before I start frying, but it's optional, people, so you just can just go ahead and add your chicken to the pot. It's optional to burn the curry. A lot of persons do it differently. I've often done videos where I burn the curry, but this time I'm just going to add the chicken and let it get the texture that I want before I add all the blends, the water to it, and let it steam. Now guys, you want to get rid of the herbs off the chicken so that it doesn't burn. So I make sure I go on ahead and separate the herbs from the chicken, so I add the chicken to the frying pot. Now guys, I'm going to brown each side. So I'm going to let the first side get brown and then I'm going to turn it over for the other side to get brown. And then I'll add some water. I already gone ahead and put the kettle on the stove, so you know you have to add the right temperature water to keep the thing cooking evenly. So I'm gonna make it get to that side and then I'll flip it over. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and add the warm water to the pot, just a little to make sure it covers the chicken. Then I add the vegetable and just stir it a little. Now guys, for those of you who can't get a lot of the ingredients, you know you can substitute a lot of things for your curry chicken, because it's hard to get a lot of stuff out there today. So there you go guys, I'm gonna let it steam now for about 15 minutes, then I'll check back with it. There you go guys, simmering down. I'd gone and add my Irish potatoes to the pot. I tend to add them a little bit later than everything because I don't want all of them to really crush out that much. So most of them are gonna get crushed and add to the thickness of the gravy. So I just put them in and get them prepared. So guys, I hope you really enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I know right now it's a hard time for everyone out there in the world, but we should continue to pray for each other and we'll pull through. Okay guys, look at that. Ready to turn off the pot. The aroma is just bursting with the flavors. The pepper, the onion, the garlic, everything. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll be turning it off right now. Join me at the table. There you go guys, I'd gone ahead and shared it with some Mexican rice pasta. I hope you enjoyed. Curry chicken, Jamaican style. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more lovely dishes. Thank you very much everyone and stay safe.